Hey guys, once again welcome to Learning Bean. Today I will show you how you can remove your green screen background from your video just by using Wondershare. You can see the background in my video is black, but actually it's not black. I used green screen in my background, but I removed it by Filmora video editing software. Filmora is just a simple video editing software. You can use it to remove your green screen background. You can use it to edit your YouTube videos. So when you're ready, let's get started. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. First of all, we need to open up our video editing software Filmora. Here you can see project. You can make your own project by clicking here. You can rename it as you want. Let's rename it to green screen. Okay, now all you have to do is just upload or import your videos from here. You can use any green screen video, like you can search on YouTube by typing green screen effect. Then you can download any of this video. Previously I have made a green screen video, so I am going to use that video in this tutorial. So let's go back to your editing software, then click import, then select your file. Yes, this is our file, so I'm gonna import it here. Now all you have to do, just drag it here. But before dragging it, we have to use our background, the background you wanna use for your video. So in this case, I'm gonna import another background file from here. Let's select this one. This one will be our background file. So I'm gonna drag it here. You can adjust it in your timeline. Now drag your green screen video here. Okay, so let's play this one. You can see it's playing, but its background is green. Before removing its background, we have to select our area. Let's crop this video. Right click on it, then click advanced edit, then click here. Now we must select our green screen only. The non-green screen, we have to remove it. So just decrease your length width 8 if you want, then click. Okay, now you can see, we can see just our green screen background. Now again, right click on it, then click green screen, then mark it. Now you can select your color, but I'm gonna remove this color, so I'm gonna click this one. You can see it's already removed our green screen, but it's not that good. So we have to increase our intensity level. So let's increase to 35 or more. Now it's look good. So now click OK. Now you can see here your green screen already removed. Now you can adjust your video. Just click here and in the upper corner and increase or decrease this, or you can move it to anywhere you want. Okay, let's play it again. Now you can see our green screen already removed. By this way, you can remove any green screen from your video. I hope you got help by this video. If you really like this video, please don't forget to like and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get more updates. See you next time. Until then, take care.